So hello my dear friends, I hope you would be frustrated, and after seeing this message even I am frustrated that what this NTA is doing. Every time they are changing इतना frequently तो इंडियन क्रिकेट टीम का स्कोर भी नहीं चेंज होता है. There are some kind of prediction, but here you can read that कि people who have downloaded their admit card, so their exam will be on the time, that is according to the given date and shift. But people who are unable to download the admit card, so they will get new date and new shift for the examination. The problem is that, so what is the deadline? So from my observation and past record of NTA, the deadline is that before the 2 hours of exam. That means your admit card can also come before the exam. So I would say simply you have to be in the city. Suppose that if your city is in Delhi, in Hyderabad, in Patna, in Bhubaneswar, in Bhopal, anywhere, so on the day of examination, that is on the 6th day of, you must be on the city, because हो सकता है आपका admit card it could come on the 6th of morning also, 5 o'clock morning, 6 o'clock morning. It is completely written, and last time it happened with the UG people also, UG, that is undergrad. So it could happen. Admit card even came 3 hours before the exam. So same thing can happen with you. As of now, the notice simply says कि people who are able to download the admit card before the 6th of June, so they are allowed to write the exam on 6th of June. People who could not download the admit card before 6th of June, they will get new admit card and new date and new shift for the examination. These are the 60 lists. The PDF I have attached to that in the Telegram group. Telegram link is just given below. You can join there. You can subscribe the channel. Share this video to the people who could not understand the new notice meaning. So I hope I could clarify. If you have any doubt, please join the discussion group. Link is just given below. You can discuss and get all your doubts solved. Okay guys, thank you. Stay tuned. See you soon in the next video. Bye bye.